This is how to cure thyroid problems permanently. Around 15 million Americans have hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid. However, up to 60% of those with a thyroid disorder are completely unaware of it. Hypothyroidism symptoms include weight gain, memory loss, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Many doctors insist permanent hypothyroidism is incurable. Natural thyroid treatment. Many doctors begin hypothyroidism treatment with a check for low thyroid stimulating hormone levels. TSH is produced by the pituitary gland. However, during our work with patients, we found that doesn't give us a full picture of your thyroid. When a patient comes to us with symptoms of hypothyroidism, the first thing we look for is Hashimoto's disease. Hashimoto's disease is an autoimmune condition that accounts for 90% of hypothyroidism cases. Causes of Hashimoto's are varied, but we administer blood tests, urine tests, and/or elimination diets to understand your unique diagnosis. Our experience has taught us that treating the root causes of Hashimoto's is how to cure hypothyroidism permanently. It also means each patient gets a tailored treatment plan, and all treatments don't work for all people. When identifying the cause of Hashimoto's disease, we look at the following 6 risk factors. 1. Hormone imbalance. If your hormone levels are imbalanced, not only thyroid hormone levels, this can trigger an underactive thyroid. 2. Food sensitivity. Food allergens can cause a hormone imbalance or even hypothyroidism. Celiac disease, an allergy to gluten, has been linked with increased risk of autoimmune disease, such as Hashimoto's. Other food sensitivities may be less obvious but may be just as significant. 3. Leaky gut. When your intestines are chronically inflamed, the tight junctions in your intestines may let toxins escape from the gut and into the bloodstream. Leaky gut is both a cause and a symptom of hypothyroidism, and it's closely associated with the other 5 root causes of hypothyroidism. To heal your gut with the help of a Prime Health expert, join our online Prime Gut Health course. 4. Infections. Tick-borne infections, such as Lyme disease, and viral infections, such as Epstein-Barr, may lead to an underactive thyroid. 5. Nutrient deficiency. Nutrient deficiencies may trigger hypothyroidism and other health issues. Simple dietary changes can treat this condition. The most common nutrient deficiency that leads to hypothyroidism is iodine. 6. Toxin exposure. Harmful toxins can wreak havoc on your thyroid. Watch out for heavy metal exposure, mold toxins, as well as exposure to chemicals like pesticides and other industrial chemicals. Daily workplace exposure to toxins is a cause of hypothyroidism. Other causes include thyroid cancer, hormone replacement therapy or birth control pills, and overtreatment of hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid. 3 natural remedies for hypothyroidism. To cure hypothyroidism permanently, we start with diagnostic tests and assessments that point us to the root causes that apply to each individual patient. By addressing the underlying causes of Hashimoto's disease, which accounts for 90% of hypothyroidism cases, we are almost always able to reverse these thyroid issues. The treatment options we suggest for most people dealing with hypothyroidism are not very difficult changes. The diet can be strict, and the supplements may cost money, but these natural remedies are non-invasive and have none of the side effects that thyroid medication have. 1. Hypothyroidism diet. In patients with Hashimoto's thyroiditis, the immune system condition responsible for most hypothyroidism cases, our first approach is to start patients on an autoimmune paleo diet, also known as APE diet. For reference, the Whole30 diet is a very close approximation to APE. Typically, this restrictive diet is only recommended for 1 to 6 months, as we identify each patient's unique allergies and sensitivities. Our diets are vital to thyroid health, as well as general health. Foods to avoid: dairy, grains, nuts and seeds, dried fruits. All nightshade vegetables, tomatoes, eggplants, potatoes, peppers. Vegetable oils like canola oil, beans/legumes, because of the potential allergen lectin, chocolate, sugar. Alternative sweeteners: stevia, sucralose, aspartame, sugar alcohols, erythritol, xylitol, mannitol, sorbitol. Coffee, alcohol, processed foods. Foods to eat: proteins, beef, pork, poultry, eggs. Seafood, especially fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Non-dairy fermented foods: apple cider vinegar, kombucha. Non-nightshade vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, like kale and Brussels sprouts, are great as long as you aren't at risk of iodine deficiency. Herbs like garlic and turmeric. Gelatin, bone broth. Green tea. Arrowroot starch. Small amounts of honey, maple syrup, fruits, and monk fruit. 2. Best natural supplements for hypothyroidism. Dietary supplements can be a useful tool in how to cure hypothyroidism permanently and treat the underlying causes of Hashimoto's thyroiditis. For example, if your Hashimoto's disease is caused by leaky gut, a supplement that promotes gut health should alleviate thyroid disease. Always seek medical advice before starting a new dietary supplement for hypothyroidism treatment. 3. Stress and hypothyroidism. Stress is a major factor in disrupting normal thyroid function. Relieving stress in your everyday life can lead to a stronger balance in your hormone levels and can potentially reverse hypothyroidism. Meditation is one easy way to alleviate stress and lessen symptoms of hypothyroidism. A full 8 hours of sleep is important to handling stress, as is sleep quality. To get better sleep, try cutting out blue light exposure an hour before bedtime. Blue light is emitted from most electronic devices, like your TV and phone. Not only should you sleep, you should relax. Yoga or taking up a hobby are two common methods of relaxing, therefore relieving stress. Being outside, especially in primarily green locations, can also lower levels of stress. Peptide therapy. An exciting new area of medicine is peptide therapy. Peptide therapy is a safe method of targeting certain health issues in your body. Peptides are just proteins, except they have much shorter molecular chain length. The use of peptides has gained popularity as a treatment for hypothyroidism recently. Certain peptides seem to treat inflammation, Lyme disease, and autoimmune dysfunction, all root causes of hypothyroidism. The best part? Peptide therapy doesn't come with the side effects associated with nonspecific immune suppression. You might also want to watch how to overcome ADHD paralysis. This is a serious problem that might happen to you. We go over some quick way to treat ADHD paralysis. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next video.